such pain. My ears are ringing, the lights are beaming, the air is stinging, something's seeming. Oh, they're not singing, I think they're screaming. My head's cracked and the ichor's dripping down, but I can't let that iceberg get me down. It's time to host, so I'll put on a smile, carve the Christmas rose and make it all worthwhile. The table's empty.